This is Jim with Solid Structures. We're up here at Spirit Lake, Idaho on this nice spring day. It's a beautiful sunny day. Gorgeous views out here overlooking the lake. We're really excited about this project. We wanted to get some pictures of this and some video done at the beginning of it. And as you can tell, we had Ryan come up here and do the site prep. He cut these driveways in, and in both parts here that, where we're at so far, Ryan did an awesome job. I mean, just really took his time, took pride in it. And then we're going to have a 72-foot shop up here on this upper section of the building. And then as you can tell, we got a concrete wall here, so it's kind of hybrid. We're going to have a stick-built wall on top of that. And then we got a 24-foot section down below that is going to be 2 stories. It's going to have an in-law setup down below, man cave section up above, and then this big shop where he can put his fifth wheel in and everything. And then it's going to daylight down and step down through here. A lot of times people think that you can't have a daylight or you can't do those type of things when you're doing post frame, but you can. You just got to put a lot of thought in it. So we got this big wall in here, and TJ from F&F Foundations came up here and did this wall for us. And just like what Ryan did on the site prep, he nailed it on the wall. Just did a perfectly straight wall. As you can tell going through it, I mean, look down that wall. It is straight. And it just always excites me when a contractor takes pride in what he does. And it really lays the groundwork for us where we can get our guys up here and continue this project off. And they really took off and got us off on the right foot. So if you need something like this or you want to get a project going, Solid Structures is your company.